We feel the rhythm, sound the marrow of our bones, and we're fascinated by the music sounds in headphones.
Free box beats brings me a relevant speech. Like two girls were matching, going to a fashion pageant, asking for some passionate actions with any old masculine man friend. Wait a minute, let me change my tangent. Flows tactical.
What's up? This is day 2 in Ahmedabad. It was epic sleep. I had the best sleep and I feel so good. Right now I'm in a garage washing this baby because you guys saw that there was a lot of grease around my motorcycle. So I'm making sure that I'm washing my bike. Do you see that? That's like 40 rupees. They're gonna do a shampoo wash to my bike and try to remove all the grease off physically in 40 bucks. 40. Can you imagine? This is Ahmedabad, bro. He's using a brush to remove the dirt from the tire. That is really awesome. And that guy is removing all the grease. Check this bike cleaning process in 40 bucks. This is Ahmedabad, guys. They are awesome. If you see my USB charger, this is the best way, guys. Put a plastic over a USB charger so that the water doesn't go in. Though it's water resistant, but it's better to put a plastic over it. And that's what. And certain spark plug area and all, they have not put much water. And now he's brushing my tire off for any dirt or anything. And he's also going to check my tires because that's very important. If any nails are stuck or anything, because they are tubeless. So we're going to check on that. Alright, so my grease monkey is shining. And these guys removed all the grease out, guys. Check it out. They did not have diesel, but still they removed most of it. So not a bad job. Overall wash and ready to rock. Fortunately, my tires have no nails or any kind of stuff. So tires are checked. I think everything good to go for tomorrow's ride. So yeah, this is how it looks now. Guys, I am at a place called Farki. Okay, sorry about the background noise. But this is the place where my uncle used to get me for having lassi. Alright. This is the best lassi in entire Ahmedabad called Farki. And if you've not gone to Farki, you've not had lassi. And this is, I'll show you guys how it looks. So that's the Rajwadi lassi. And guys, you have to see how thick it is. Check this out. See the amount of dry fruits. It's for 90 rupees. I used to have this in 20 bucks. My chacha, my uncle used to get me here. He was very sweet. He used to get me every day. And this was the Rajwadi lassi which I used to have. And that's called Navrang. So I'm having Rajwadi and you guys can see. Just see the amount of dry fruits, guys. Check it out. The consistency is same. Okay. Only the glass has become smaller and the price has gone up. But it is the same. It is epic. And my cousin, he's having Navrang. The difference in that in this is that Navrang has less dry. It's only pistachios, right? Yeah. So it has only dry fruits like cashew nut and raisins. That's it. Mine has everything in it. Mine is much thicker. This is a little thinner. But I love it and I'm enjoying it. But you must come here. It's called Farki. I'm having this since childhood and I could not miss this for life. So after a bike wash, a great lassi in this weather is kick-ass. Not only lassi, they also provide sweets, buttermilk, ice creams, milkshakes and everything. But their lassis rock. And I'm not saying just because I'm here. I'm coming here since childhood. So it is, trust me, it is amazing. Imagine having lassi with a spoon. You can imagine how thick, how the yogurt is fermented and kept inside. So it's pretty good. Wearing a safety helmet and going to the riverfront to meet the subscribers. And my cousin's holding my selfie stick. Left, straight? Right. Now heading there and the whole world is seeing what are we doing on with this phone. In Ahmedabad, everyone thinks I am from zoo or I'm from museum. I don't know. So now going to the riverfront. I already got messages from 2 of my subscribers. Alright, my Naveen with the The rev head is here, the rev head. And Shalini is already here. And I think you're already here, so let's catch up. Yeah,
this is like as close to the Himalaya.
Exactly, right? He's on a classic and It's like already a club. This is like the Ahmedabad club. I think next time I should ride with these boys, right? What's it? Yeah, we'll be riding. Yeah, man. Okay, it is extremely hot, and these guys are here. They are chilling, and we are planning to go somewhere. I don't know where to go, but I'm asking them. They are from Ahmedabad, so we might go. So we're going to Danny's Coffee.
Yeah, Danny's Coffee.
Okay, so they decided to go to Danny's Coffee, and we're going there.
Yeah.
And the best part is this was supposed to be a meet, but I want to ride with them because ride with Raj. So let's freaking ride now.
We should ride with Raj.
Yeah. That's a dolphin. Yeah, that was a dolphin exhaust. What he's done is the tan seats, and I really like because it's like dullish brown. You know, I have never seen this color on any seat, and I think that gets dirty less, so that's pretty good. And check this out, he's put a wrap on it, and it's from here on factory, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't show it properly because against the light. Okay, now you guys can see how it is, and that's a carbon fiber finish, and he's put that. So pretty cool, pretty neat. And that's the 500 Classic, which is quite new, and what I like about it is a very simple crash guard. Check it out. A simple rod. This used to be in 1985. The crash guards like this. And this is the Royal 350 Standard, and he is a proud owner of it, and he looks dope cool on it because check this helmet. Alright. Wow, man. That's, oh my god, that's my bike. Yeah. And that's not bad. That's my selfie stick. They are taking me to a coffee place at IIM called
Danny's Coffee Bar.
Danny's Coffee Bar. That's not his, huh? By the way. So these guys want to try my bike, so I've given them now, and they are really excited. They like my the air pipes idea, what I've done, and they really like that. And I'm gonna take a small shot. These guys riding my bike because. I never get a chance to see my own bike because I'm riding it all the time, but now I can see it.
Oh my god!
So, Sam, how do you feel, bro?
It's beautiful! I'm like, it's orgasmic at the same time.
Yo, that's the right term, orgasmic.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it's a baby, man. So I'm glad he's happy, and he was also happy.
I'm super happy. It is like heaven on earth, actually.
More subscribers. Path is here, and what's your good name? Dhruv. So Dhruv and Path are here, and they met me at Danny's. Actually, all my subscribers are lost. Few have gone ahead, so I'm trying to rendezvous at this point. So let's see, but this is a cool joint. Check it out. So if you guys come to Ahmedabad, meet these guys. They are the gangsters here.
And please also like, share and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bro. Thanks a lot. So I think we are ruling Ahmedabad with all bullets here. And that's the cute Vespa as well here. More subscribers, a lot of sandwich happening. These guys are sweet. They're treating me with coffee, they're treating me with some sandwiches, and now I'm going to a place called Bobby Bun Maska. No, Maska Bun. Out in Ahmedabad they say Maska Bun. In Mumbai we call it Bun Maska. So I don't know the difference, but it's very famous here.
It's the same. Nothing is changed. It's the same. The name is changed.
So soft रहता है, hard रहता है bun?
Soft. Plain bun with a butter in it, or you want to have a jam.
Okay, so the twist is that it's same like what happens in Mumbai, but in Mumbai we have two kinds. One is the brun maska, which is a hard one, and then we have the bun maska. Here they call the maska bun. That's the only difference, right?
Yeah.
There are also two types of maska bun here. One is maska bun and another one is cheese chutney.
Cheese chutney maska bun.
Where there is no jam.
But there's no jam, and out here they don't say jam, they say jam. So we all are here now, we're having a lot of fun. So we're gonna eat, drink, rave, repeat.
Okay. Definitely.
Subscribers, and that's my cold coffee already here. Okay. So That's a classic. Cheers, buddy. Brother. Okay, I want to admit something. And my vlog is honest, so I'll be honest. This classic cold coffee is better than any coffee place I've been. But Ahmedabad rocks, man. Basically, a biker's dream is to have a house where he can park his bike in front of his house, right? Right now I'm in my chachi's, my auntie's house, and they're on the ground floor, so the entire setup is here, and you have to see where I've kept my bike. Okay, let me show it to you guys. This is the gate. As soon as you enter the gate, bam, my bike, and that's the entry to the apartment, and that's the entry to the, this whole thing is theirs. My uncles and my aunts, my 3 uncles and 3 aunts stay here. And check this out, I've parked my roadster right here in the passageway so that I can saddle it up in the night so I can leave in the morning. So guys, if you see that carefully, the subscriber I'm out with, he has designed that. This entire D-Mart has an aluminium scaling done, and then the projection of these lights are there. It's beautiful, right? This is done by him, and he has a patent right over it also. And this is amazing, really amazing. Vastrapur, okay, and they have these nice lounge, I can't say bars because there's no alcohol here, but they have these awesome lounge on the road. Check this out. So guys, this is called Buskers Corner. You can check the amp out. So there's some guy who comes in and performs. That's the backdrop. It's like a nook, and around the nook they have these awesome tires, like you can see that. And check these guys, they're getting the tires. Getting replaced. Yeah, so they're getting the tires. And this guy is carrying 4. God damn it, he has more muscle power than me, man. You know, I'll show you the rates of cappuccino. It's like 20 bucks. Cafe latte is 30 bucks. Black coffee, my favorite, which is 20 rupees to keep myself up. So let's meet the owner. So ma'am's name is Monica Goyal, and this idea is actually her son's idea, and his name is Setu. Setu, his idea is this, of opening this joint, but she's handling everything and she's making it with his help. So that's awesome, and this is a rocking joint. His name is Firak, and he's a great singer. He's a big guy, he's singing a lot of things, and she's chilling. So I have ordered chicken salami egg sandwich, which is pretty cool. And they call it mojito here without alcohol, so they still call it mojito. Okay, I'll try.
Played until my fingers bled. Was the summer of 69. Me and sometimes from school. Had a band and working hard. Jimmy Quick, so they got married. Should know you never get far. Oh, when I hold it back down. But some always seem to last forever. And if I had a choice, I always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life.
Sample of light, but I met one of my great friends here. He's a singer, Mr. Kumar, and that's his Benelli at this joint at Buskers. And this is a limited edition Benelli 600 ITNT Tornado, which is golden color. You guys can see that, and he has put Exile 55 exhaust, and let's hear this baby now.
You've got a
hungry guys like me. We've ordered pancake, cinnamon honey pancake, and we got chocolate Nutella crepe suggested by her. And guys,
I never knew it.
it's okay. You can come and you know what, guys? She went to Bhutan with her husband. Pillion. Can you imagine, guys? Pillion all the way to Bhutan, and that's she's been to Ladakh as well. She was just showing me her snaps. So guys, this is a 600 TNT Tornado Benelli, who's our neighbor, and right now he wants me to ride it. But tomorrow morning I'm heading for Mumbai at 6 in the morning, so I'm not riding this, but I'll ride it in Mumbai. So that's Vivek's bike, and he's actually ready to sell it to me right now. So we're just talking about it, but it's so late. We plan to start this bike, and he has put a extreme exhaust by Exile, right?
Yes.
And this is 60. Oh,
60.
I just shot a 55, no? Guys, Buskers joint is a paradise for bikers and people who like music and stuff like that. It's really good. It's awesome. And now we're gonna finish this pancake and the crazy waffle. So my subscription family has increased and all these guys are here, and this is an awesome place, and I think today's day is ending here, right guys?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so we're calling it off, right?
Yeah.
So guys, as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good.